Okay, for this one, I want to give you a hint on exercise 8. Here, you're making a character array, and you're asked to sort it into order. Um, I don't know if any of you happen to have names that are in alphabetical order, but if you don't, then we're going to need to use a sorting algorithm. So I'm not going to do the whole thing for you here, but I want to give you a hint. So first of all, what I did is I created so here's my name, and I just wrote this for loop to print it out. Um, then I wanted to show you that you can actually swap things around. So you can test, is name one less than name zero? In my case, it is, because A, right, is less than H. And you can just, because these are chars, you can just compare them with a less than or greater than symbol. So that makes it pretty straightforward when you're comparing it. So I just did an example here, and this is a classic swap of, so basically the second letter of my name, A, is less than the first letter of my name, H. So I just use a temp and I swap them, and then I'm going to just quickly print them out again. So I'll show you how that works. Do that, and then here. So it starts as Haver, and then it's Aver. So you can see that you're on your way to just being able to swap them. The next thing I would recommend you do is copy some code from an insertion sort or a selection sort. So you might have to go back and look at that. You could go onto CodeHS and look at it. We did a lot of that in the last unit, or I guess it was a couple units ago, but you should be able to dig something up. And then you just need to change it so that we're no longer dealing with an array of integers, but now we're dealing in an array of characters. So we just go in here, and again, I'm not going to do this all for you. Um, you go in here and you would change your array to name, because name is the array there. And here, this would be a char, so it would be char current character, probably something like that. You want to give these a little better names appropriate for the circumstances. And you could do this in effectively the same way. So it comes down to an exercise in adapting an algorithm that we've already used. But remember, though, it's going to be just about the same, because you can still compare two characters using a less than or a greater than symbol. So hopefully that one helps. This is for number 8.